Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. This is just going to be a quick unboxing of this really powerful, awesome HDMI cable from Syncwire. They make excellent cables and connectors. This is an 8K capable, 8K at 60 Hz HDMI nylon braided cable, male to male. It is 6.5 feet. It is for, obviously, for devices with HDMI port. It supports high resolution, 8K 60 Hz. Backward compatible, of course, to any other resolution, which most people using 4K, it's going to be more than capable of handling 4K. It has a 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, so it is basically as fast as you could possibly imagine for an HDMI cable. You can use it with 3D or HDR, Dolby Vision content, high audio fidelity, fast refresh rate, smooth and accurate transmission, basically everything you would want in a high quality HDMI cord. So let's open this guy up. Again, this is a braided cord. You can see that, braided nylon, high quality. And you can see they ship this very well protected. They've got covers on everything to make sure everything stays in pristine condition during shipping. You can see the Syncwire logo on the one side and the 8K HDR logo on the other side. These are gold plated, as you can see, HDMI. So these are going to get you the highest quality, the quality you want when you're looking for an HDMI cord, especially with 4K content and above. You've got to have a cord that's capable of carrying all that data, not just the 4K resolution, but also the HDR or the Dolby Vision signals. Those require a high quality cable, and this is such a cable. Not only is it capable of carrying all that data, but look at this nylon braid. So you don't have to worry about interference because it's very well shielded and protected, and it's also not going to get messed up very easily. Very excellently made wire. Again, this is by Syncwire, a company called Syncwire. They make excellent, all their cables are really great cables, and this one is no exception. Again, up to 8K at 60 Hz HDMI nylon braided cable with gold-plated HDMI tips. Now, this product is available on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that link and jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, subscribe to my channel, click that like button, all that great stuff. Anyway, it's going to be until next time, so be safe and be happy.